In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Apple Pay billing address wrong. First, open the wallet app, select the card that's having issues, tap the card details or settings option, and carefully review the billing address listed there, making sure the street name, unit number, city, state, and zip code are all correct. Next, log into your bank or card issuer's website or mobile app and check the billing address they have on file. Then, update either the bank record or the wallet address so both match exactly. Since Apple Pay relies on the bank's information for verification. After making any changes, restart your iPhone or Apple Watch to refresh the system and give Apple Pay time to sync the updated details. If payments still fail after correcting the address, remove the card from wallet and add it back again so updated billing information is fully refreshed. So that's it.